So negative 7.1.
Yeah, are you lining up the digits like I'm showing
Yeah,
here?
I
Maybe
am.
I'm not. Okay. I mean, you're adding them up vertically.
Huh.
There's no carries.
Okay.
That you line up the decimals, should be 6.38, but then you make it negative.
Okay. That explains it. Yeah.
Okay. Now number three,
Put down the. I didn't
number three.
add the 0 to
Okay.
4.0. So.
Yeah, really important that you match up all the digits, even
Mhm.
put the zeros in the missing spots.
Okay.
Okay. For this one, you've got a double negative, so it's really negative 7.15 plus 5.6. Is
Mm-hmm.
the answer positive or negative?
You mean negative?
It's negative. Maybe you make a note of that. And then you take the larger and subtract the smaller like that.
Mm-hmm.
This one's got some borrowing.
Negative 1.55. This one. Oh, would x equal 9? Might be something weird. Can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. I was muted.
Oh.
Six times what number gets you to 42?
So 6 times. Wait, okay. So 7.
Yep. And then down here at the bottom, 2 times what number gets you back to 6?
3.
Interesting. This next problem's a pretty good one. It's gonna be kind of a challenge. All right, use the digits 5, 7, and 2 to write four numbers that are greater. Oh, I take that back. I misunderstood what it is. So they're saying like, and I'll give you an answer. 572 is a possibility.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What about 752?
Sure, that's good.
And 527.
Agreed.
And the last one. 725.
All right, good.
So
So for the next one, I guess probably I'll have you try on your own. Always best to do the ones that you know first
yeah.
before guessing. Yeah.
So okay. X squared is x times x, so x plus x. Okay, so I have D for the first
Okay.
one,
All right, good,
then E,
good.
then A, then B, then C.
All right, very good. Uh,
And by the way, this isn't the original homework that I sent you. This is a copy because I lost my original copy. But
that's
I did
okay.
have the last one circled for this guy.
Okay, yeah. This is obtuse. This is acute, and this is a right angle. You want to know all three.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Actually, yeah.
number 9 is the stop sign.
So a hexagon?
Hexagon has 6 sides.
So,
They're often mistaken for one another. This is an octagon.
oh, okay.
Octopus is eight arms or whatever, tentacles.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what they're called. Not a science person, so I have no idea. Okay, how about this one here?
So -8 squared is so 64.
Yes, 60, you said positive 64.
Yes.
There you are correct. Good. Okay, I think that's everything on that side. Does that look okay to you?
Yeah.
All right, so onto the other side. Okay, do you remember anything from class about how to multiply a number, a whole number in a decimal or 2 decimals?
Not really, but
Okay,
I'd have a feeling that I would know it if I got a little bit of it. Didn't seem very hard.
so you basically multiply the numbers without the decimals, 6 times 3, which is 18. And then the number of decimal places, which is 1, that's how many you move the answer.
So 1.8.
Yeah. So that's the way I do it, especially if I have to do it by hand. You can
Mm-hmm.
always, the other option is to always, especially on like the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is to line them up
Mm-hmm.
more traditionally. Um,
This is 15. 3 times 5. 15, and then that's 2 just 0.15.
yes, number 2 is 0.15. Good. How about number 3?
So is it, what would that be? 3 times 82?
Yeah, 3 times 82.
Okay.
Yep.
So,
And so if,
2
if you're if you're still working this one out like longhand, maybe it is just better at some point to just write it.
24.6.
Yeah, good. With number 4, I would figure out whether the answer is positive or negative and then just work on the numbers.
So it's positive.
Yeah. No. You're multiplying a positive and a negative.
Oh, so it's negative.
Yeah. So then just multiply 9.7 times 4.7.
So 97 times 47.
Mhm.
Okay. 7 is 49. 4. 7 times 9. 9 63. plus 4. 0. 4 times 7 is 8. 4 times 9 is 36. 38. 8. And 9. 3. And so it's 3,000. 39.59.
We're off here. So 7 times 7 is 9 with a carry of 4. 7 times 9 is 63 plus 4 is 67. Put a zero
Yeah.
4 times.
I didn't put the 6 down. That's why I got it.
Okay, and then add these up here.
Yeah, so 9, 5, 1 is 5, 4,559.
Okay. Now you got to move the decimal. How many places? How many
2.
decimals? Two. So 1, 2, 45.59. And then you bring down the negative. Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Okay. So a fair amount of work, potentially.
Yeah. 3. So
All right. So number 5, is the answer positive or negative?
negative.
It's negative. So then it's 7.16 times 0.03.
So okay, so then 2,148. Negative 2,148. So
All right.
point
Don't forget
two.
to move the decimal. Yeah.
So it's 0.2148. Negative 0.2418.
Yes. Yes. Very good.
Next
All right.
one.
So go ahead and try the next one on your own. I'll have the answer ready.
0.990 or 0.9 or 0.899.
Yeah. Your first digit is off.
Oh. Mm. Oh, that worked. So wait. No, wouldn't it be 8.99?
It's
Yeah.
okay. Just making sure. I heard something different. I heard 0.99. The answer is
Yeah.
0.8990.
But you just changed it to 0.899.
No, 8.8990.
Well, why would you put the 0 in there
Oh,
if you
okay. I'm
know
sorry.
that like
I'm sorry. Yeah. I mean, you don't have to. It's either is correct.
okay.
That's course. Okay, number 7. Give that a try, please.
9, 8, 9 times 8, 1, 3, 72, 2, 7, 8 times 4. 7 is 3, 8 times again is 72, 5, 0, 5 times 9 is 45, 7, 5, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 100, wait, negative 105.042.
Are we both doing 7?
Yeah.
I got some totally. I mean, if you just estimate, right? It's 10 times 5 or 6. It's around 50 or 60.
Mhm.
So I'm not sure where we're different here, but
Yeah. Mm,
so this is 72, carry of 7, 9 with carry of 3, 75.
that's right.
So 5 times 9 is 45, 5 with a 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is
Okay,
4 with a carry of 2.
that's right. Ah, that's where I got it wrong. I put a 9 instead of a 4 there. That's why. Okay. Well, it is 2, 2, 4, mm,
So let me know when you got your final answer.
55.042
Is the final answer positive or negative?
negative.
So the thing is, like, that's easy to do. Like you get so buried in all this work you forget to actually remember the sign.
Yeah.
So even more important with like the next couple of problems here. Well, actually just this next one here. So a little small thing in number 8. Um, when you multiply by 0.5, that's like doing a half. So what
Mm-hmm.
I would tell you to do is to first do the part in the box here. First do that.
Okay.
And then take a half of it. Half's dividing by 2.
Okay. So then, negative 2.48.
So just reasonableness, right? Like think about like what we're saying. Like 3.1 is really 3, 1.6 is maybe 1.5. It's got to be around 4.5. You know, it may be a little bigger, a little smaller, but it can't be 2. So I guess I'm oh, you mean your final answer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What did you get for this part?
Um, yeah. I didn't do that right. Wait.
Your answer you gave me was correct.
Oh.
I was just trying to check your intermediate result.
Yeah.
I mean, so we can move on to 9 whenever you're ready.
Okay. So. Okay, so dividing. So.
Yeah, so dividing by to me there's a I don't know how you guys are doing this class. Are you doing like 6 divided by 0.25? You can change to multiplication by the reciprocal. Are you doing that yet?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, so you guys are doing the traditional
Mm-hmm.
uh putting the so you're really supposed to make the second number you want to multiply both numbers by 100.
Okay.
So this is
So
really
6
600
times 600 and
divided by 25.
okay.
And then that's the easier way to go. Or you can just start dividing the fractions, by 5.
Yeah. The way that
There's a
she
lot of ways to
has
this.
I
Go
think
ahead.
the way that she had us doing it was like the 6 divided by 25 long division way.
So you can't do that though. You can't have a decimal out here. If you do that, you have to
Well,
move
yeah.
this in and make this 600.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
that's allowed.
Yeah, I know. But like
Okay,
that's what she had us doing was like
sure. And do it that way.
and you like brought 2 decimals over. Make that. Yeah. 600. So yeah, I guess same answer is what you but just yeah, whatever. So 25. So let me see. 15, on 24
It
point.
is
Yeah.
it is 24. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. All right. Now that same thing applies for number 10 here. Um, so it's 1.2 on the outside into 72, but you change that 1.2 into 12, which means you add a 0 over here.
Mhm.
So it really becomes 12 into 720.
Mhm. So that's okay. Um, 12 and 60.
The 60, good, really good. All right, so next one. Finally got some positives and negatives here. Just like before, I would say, okay, I know the answer is negative, and then just ignore that, and then figure out this. Now, because they have the same decimal, you don't have to move it, but I still would. I would still just do like you probably were taught in
I'm
class.
not sure, you might be muted. I'm not sure, but you might be muted. Let's see.
But I'm not muted. Just that's not saying a whole lot at this point. You kind of got it. How many times does 75 go into 225?
So. What? I'm having trouble hearing you.
I'm not saying anything. What did you get for final answer?
Weird.
Can you hear me?
Um,
August, maybe you're mute. Maybe I'm speaking. I'm hearing you. Did you get 3 as an answer?
having trouble hearing you. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can tell. I'm speaking, I'm talking, I'm not muted. Let me check one more time, one more thing. Audio settings. All right. Recording. Okay, are you able to hear me now? Hello. Yeah, I noticed you can't hear me. Let me check something else.
Huh. Wonder if this works now.
All right. Are you able to hear me now?
This is weird.
Yeah, maybe test your volume. It appears to be working on my side. I did a couple of audio checks.
Heck.
Uh, I think maybe your volume is down, got
Hmm.
dialed down.
Maybe.
All right. The answer is 3
Okay.
to number 11.
Oh, yes, my volume was turned down.
That can happen. And
Cow.
all
Screen.
right, number 12. The answer is negative. After this one, we'll go to the word problems, make sure we get those in. So you make a note that it's negative, and then it's 2.7 on the outside, 11.07 on the inside. If you move the decimal one place here, you only move it one place there. What that
Mhm.
means, though, for your answer is that you do have
So
that
there's a
decimal
decimal
there.
point. Yeah.
Yeah. Glad you saw that in class.
Mhm. Huh. So would that be 27 going to 210. Let me go in. So then how many times do you go to 100 and 1000? 0.41?
So the 27 goes into 110 4 times,
Oh,
doesn't it?
yeah.
It's 108, and then you subtract and get.
Hmm.
So you got the right numbers just in the wrong place, which that's
Okay.
not, it's okay. I mean, we were practicing for the
Hmm.
real thing here. Um, but let's jump down to those word problems. I think we have plenty of time to finish all this, but
Yeah.
want to make sure we get these in for sure.
Mhm.
So this is a really important thing for drivers. Anyone who owns a vehicle. Jesse used 2.7 gallons of gas to drive her car 72.9 miles. What was her car's gas mileage? So the miles goes on top,
Mm-hmm.
72.9 miles on top, divided by 2.7 gallons on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So,
So it's another division problem, just like we've been doing.
okay. So, one 27 going to 72. So, so everything. Five, 55, 55, 55. So it can go in 3 times 71, or 1, 9, 2, 3, 0, 90, 97. Okay, so this is confusing.
Did you get it goes in 2 times?
Yeah, I have that.
Okay, so what's left over? Should be 54,
But
and then that's 189.
wait, hang on. Mm, okay. Okay. So
I
yeah, I
think,
got that right.
what did you get? What's the final answer?
Oh no, I didn't get the final answer
Okay.
right. So, wait. Okay. Mm, Then 7, 10, 9, 1. So then how many times can that go? 1, 3, 7, 27?
Yes. Yes. All right, good job. So MPG is the the units for that. MPG. All right. So number 18. What is the area of a computer screen that is 20.2 inches long and 12.5 inches tall? The area is base times height, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to multiply these two numbers
Okay.
together.
Okay, so So the area is 252.5 inches.
Nope, we're off. Which number did you put on top?
The 20.2.
And then 12.5?
Yeah.
Alright,
Oh,
so
hang
should
on.
be, yeah.
Wait.
Do you want to change your answer?
Yeah, I think I do. So that would be wait, no. Would it be 252.5?
Nope, nope. Oh,
I'm
I
confused
mean,
there.
just rough numbers, right? August, like 20 times 10 is 200. And 20 times 15 is 300. Okay.
Okay.
Um, wait. I'm sorry. What did you say your answer was?
252.5 inches.
Okay. Now I see what the issue is. I had some errors in my calculations. Yes, you are correct.
Oh, okay, great.
252.50. Okay, great. Um, all right, so you got a couple more here for us to do. I guess go back to
Mhm.
13 or any of those. I have enough time to finish them all.
Mhm.
I'll have all the answers available for you if you need them. I've got all the answers, so
Yeah,
if
I'm
whenever
on
you
working
want,
on
if you ever,
14 right
okay,
now.
you want to check your answer for 13?
13? Okay, sure. 5.
Yes, it is 5. Good.
Okay. And this one, so 15, 15. Yeah, so I was right. Um, 4?
It is -4. Why
Oh,
is it
yeah.
negative?
Because of 2. Oh yeah, because it's a positive and a negative. So
Right.
yeah, the next one negative. 30. Then 34 can go to 62. Um, This I'm a little confused on.
All right, so it should be 34 into 69.02. Does that look okay to you? After you move the
That's why
decimal
I did
over.
wrong. Yeah, I put 62. That's why I did it wrong. So I'm
So
going
2 goes on 2 there, and that's 68, and you end
Yeah.
up getting 1.02 or 102.
Yeah. Now I know what happened.
Okay.
The negative. Hang on.
Running out of time here. It's negative 2.03.
Okay, yeah, so I got it
And I'm going to give you the answer to the last one. You can
right. Okay.
work that out on your own if, if and when. So good job on that. Do you have fall break next week?
Yeah, I believe so, yes.
You know, if you're going to do a lesson next Tuesday?
I think next Tuesday would work. So
Okay,
yeah.
I believe, because what I looked, you guys get it on like Thursday and Friday, or maybe it's
Yeah, we're
Wednesday,
gone
Thursday.
19th through something. But yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll definitely do a lesson then next week. All right, very good. I will go ahead and stop the recording
Okay.
here. Good job today.
Mhm.
I don't know why I'm having so much trouble here finding what I need to find. All right, we're going to stop the recording.